Hello, welcome to this series on Patanjali's Yoga Sutra. So far, in my previous 4 videos, I was talking about 4 different modifications of the mind or 4 different vrittis, which are correct knowledge, incorrect knowledge or error, imaginations or fancy, sleep or here sleep. And the last one is memory, which is the 5th type of vritti or modification of the mind. And Patanjali talked about this in Sutra 11. And it goes as follows: Anubhuta Visaya as Samroga Smriti. So Anubhuta. So Anubhuta is like related to word Anubhuti, which is like you experience something. So Anubhuta is like something which is experienced. And Visaya is sense objects. Any objects you can experience from your senses. Eyes, from your eyes you can see. Ears, from your ears you can hear. Nose, from your nose you can smell. Tongue, from your tongue you can taste. Skin, from your skin you can touch. So you experience various sense objects from your different senses. And as samosa is like something which is retained, and smriti is memory. So memory is basically when you experience different sense objects and when you retain the experience of whatever sense objects you experience, when you retain that in terms of images and sounds, that is memories. So it's very simple. So if you ate, let's say, your favorite dessert like yesterday, and today you can remember how it felt like. What was the color of your favorite dessert and how you enjoyed it. So here you are retaining the images and sounds associated with that experience, and this retention is referred to as the 5th type of vritti or modification of the mind, which is memory. And so this is a very distinct type of modification of the mind, where using this type of vritti or modification of the mind, you can dwell in past, you can think about what happened in your past, and you can also think about what will happen in the future. Although that would come more in terms of imaginations or fancy. So memories are more to do with your past experiences. So whatever you have experienced so far, the retention of the images and words and sensations associated with those experiences is all categorized in memories. And there are also some extra sensory memories where someone can see their past lives. And this is not a normal type of memory. Here, a person is retaining or bringing back memories which happened in their previous life. And that is very powerful memory. And it requires years of practice in order to get those memories. So here, both these normal day-to-day life memory and extrasensory memories are part of this 5th different modification of the mind. And Patanjali talked about now how to restrain these different modifications of the mind in upcoming sutras. So Patanjali defined yoga as restraining the modification of the mind, and he talked about a little bit in details about how these different modifications or vrittis look like. And in next sutras, Patanjali talked about how you can restrain these different modifications of the mind. And we will see in our next sutras. Thank you for listening.